guys, thank you so much for 150 subscribers. Today, I am at Disneyland and we are going to review the Hot Wheels car called the Let's Go. It was born in 2014 track access. So anyways, it's time for me to review it. So as you can see, it's time for me to review it. So this one contains 2 Lego sets which you can put a Lego character and make it holding it over there. It has a plastic spoiler attached to the body. It has a cool engine that you can attach a Lego character by putting its feet on it. So it has some cool wheels, small wheels in the front and some gigantic wheels on the back. So I have this car in the right one's 2022 color. I have this car in right round 2022 version. So anyways, be sure to like, subscribe and comment. So anyways guys, see you soon, bye bye.